Be honest. How many memes have you laughed at today? 10? 20? Same here. But here's the thing. You don't need to scroll memes. You can make them. And Adobe Express makes it super easy with ready-to-use meme templates. Inside Adobe Express, go straight to the meme template tool. And boom, you'll see a whole library of templates, classic formats you have seen million times, trending ones, and even clean slate for your wild original ideas. Basically, it's internet's humor starter pack. Let's pick one. Looks familiar, right? Now I just swap the text with something more relatable. When your laptop restarts in the middle of editing. Too real, yeah? And here's the fun part. You can play around with fonts, change colors, resize text, and even drop in stock images from Adobe's library if you want to make it fresher. No design headaches, just quick customization. Let's do one more. I'll grab this blank meme format and add caption POV. You said 5 minutes break, it's 2 hours later. Boom! A new meme in seconds. That's the power of templates. You don't start from scratch, you just add your humor. Once it looks good, just download and you're ready to drop it in group chat, post it on Instagram, and if you're brave, on Twitter. Instant reactions guaranteed. So yeah, meme in minute thanks to Adobe Express. If you are a solo creator, a student, or just a friend who always has the funniest memes, this tool is made for you. Try it out now. Link is in the caption. And if you end up making a meme about me, actually, you know what? Go for it. Just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while you're at it.